Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuses you can check in case you cannot open your tailgate, so the tailgate switch is not working. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026 and newer. I'm recording this video in 2026, so this might apply to 2027, 8 or who knows. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now you have two fuses to check. One is in the main fuse box under the front hood, and the second one is in a small fuse box here in the passenger cabin. It's a bit hard to access it. It's all the way down there. So to access this fuse box, you have to remove a couple of trim pieces. You want to remove this piece. You want to remove this long piece on the side. Then you can pop out this main side piece, and then you will access the fuse box. And then you have to pop out the cover again. So it's a bit of work, and it's not too easy to be honest, but it's doable. And the fuse you want to check here is this large 30 amp fuse here at the top. Fuse number 43. This is your tailgate switch fuse. Second fuse will be in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just here behind the battery. Now there's like a small black tab here. You want to press it and lift up and gently remove this cover. Okay, and here you will get access to all of the fuses. Okay, and the fuse here is fuse number 34. You know what, but I won't be able to squeeze my phone to show it to you, I think. Okay, I try to zoom in. Okay, just here you see this relay. Just under this relay here is one 15 amp blue fuse. So just next to this one, but to the left, you see this fuse here. Just to the left there is one more 15 amp fuse. This is your tailgate fuse. You want to check that one as well. And now if both of these fuses are good, then the next step you want to check the tailgate switch. You want to test if the power is coming to it. You want to check the actuator and things like that. But first things first, always check the fuses. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.